Hey guys, welcome back to Micho Makes. My name is Micho. I like to make stuff. Today we've got part number 30 of the Toyota Sprinter Trueno AE86 by DeAgostini. This is the 1/8 scale massive model that we're all building together. So really do appreciate you sticking with me on this. Without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Okay, starting off, we've got our cover here. We've got a half box. And everybody's favorite, we're going to do another wheel. I believe this is the last one we're going to need to do. There might be one more. I cannot remember. Got a catalog for, looks like a DVD collection. Kind of interesting. Super Sentai. And we've got our catalog. So let's take a quick peek at this. Ah, the TE71. It's really cool that this is the history of the Hachiroku. So that's the kind of cool thing that we want to really kind of take this part for, is really kind of understanding the history of the development and why certain decisions were made, and understanding the importance of the evolution of this vehicle, because obviously this vehicle is pretty iconic because of an anime, right? Initially. But there are a lot of steps that it actually drew to actually becoming that icon. And then also, what influence did it have beyond that? Obviously, back in 2012 and then 2021, the Subaru BRZ and then the GT86 and also the GR86 here too as well. So there's a huge influence just from the cars before the 86 that led up to it, and the cars after the 86 that really kind of were influenced by it too as well. And here is the Tercel. Little fun fact that Tercels, they actually made, I think they were called the Chevy Nova, I believe, was a Tercel too as well. Pretty much identical. When Chevy needed a kind of a small, compact car, they just really just changed the badge, and everything else was pretty much Toyota, I believe. Really scary cars. I've driven one and on the highway, and they're really scary. Anyway, we'll jump right into building the wheel. Super quick. Look how huge these photos are. It's so funny that that's it. It's literally, I thought there was another page. Oh, there is another page. And that's it. Like, literally. Okay. So, to compensate for the lack of stuff needing to get done, literally just throw it out. We're just going to jump right into it, get it done, and make this a super quick video. All right. Same things. Now, what's different, though, is that they did give us the new tread pattern on the vehicle. Let me take a look and see the one that we built before. Yep. It's the same tread pattern of the ones that we had done previously. Take it to the slide on so you can actually see it. Same tread pattern as the new one, not the old one. All metal. Rim. Got this little spacer here. We still haven't even used this thing yet. I have no idea what it's for yet. The hubcap too as well. And some AM screws. All right. Let's go ahead and get this assembled really quick. I'll get reframed. Okay, diving right into it. Actually, they give you a piece of advice that if you want to align this, right, you can actually use this little marker, this 185/75 right there. You have the little corner point right there. That's where the hubcap alignment marker is too. You can actually just align that right here. Boom. Just get it right in the middle, and then just make sure you flip it over. And pretty simple. Put that in there. Get it aligned right. Hold it in. And then get some screws. So I'm going to get the screws real quick. Lost that alignment, so I'm going to do it one more time. Bottom left. There. There. Hold that in. Aligned it such here. Four. That was it. Literally, let me just double check the instructions. We're good. They say, oh yeah, you should practice your bolt patterns. Yeah, yes, I know. Bolt pattern just like this. So one side, tighten down this way, down over here, this side, over here, this side, and then this here, right here. Boom. And now that is a fully tightened rim. Excellent. And they don't even say put the hubcap on yet. So we have these three parts left. This part is done, and I wanted to make it a super quick video. So thanks again for joining me today. My name is Demetrio Makes. I really do appreciate you joining me on part number 30 of the Toyota Sprinter Trueno AE86 by DeAgostini. I probably could have grouped this one with the last one, but the last one was so involved I didn't really want to do that. But I do want to make sure it's all very kind of linear and there's no like gaps or steps missing. So there are going to be parts like this where we have literally one thing to do, and it's just build a rim. 4 screws, we're done, as we had done in previous parts. But I really do appreciate you sticking around. If you like this video, I mean, I don't really like it, so I wouldn't even want to give it a thumbs up. But, you know, give it a thumbs up if you'd like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And I'll see you guys in the next part of part number 31. And we'll take a peek real quick at what that is. And it looks like we are doing some rear brakes. Sure looks like it. Some rear brakes. And if you didn't know, on the 86, well, I guess versions of it, and I'll probably go over this again in the next part, but rear disc brakes were not standard on the American versions, which were the SR5. They had drum brakes, and the GTS in America, better known as the 86, not the 85, had the disc brakes in the back. So pretty significant upgrade actually when you have rear disc brakes versus rear drum brakes, just because you get a little bit better stopping power and venting and stuff like that. So look forward to that. We'll get that one done soon. So really do appreciate you guys sticking around. I'll see you guys in the next part where we get those installed. Bye for now.